Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat. We have a second lecture on exercise 4.3, most important question, most expected question. This is y minus xy minus sine y equal to 0. And here we have to find out dy over dx. So here we have to differentiate the equation with respect to x. So just we have to apply the operator here, y minus xy minus sine y, it is equal to 0. So this is d over dx of y minus d over dx xy minus d over dx sine y equal to 0. The derivative of 0 is 0. Now the derivative of y is dy upon dx minus, here x and y are two functions in product form, so we have to apply the product rule here, that is u into v, that is u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u. So just we have to apply the product rule here. So here u means x and v means y. So here u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u minus the derivative of sine y, it is cos y, and the derivative of its angle, it is y equal to 0. Sine y, derivative of cos y, and the derivative of y is dy upon dx. So this is dy upon dx, x, derivative of y is dy over dx plus derivative of x is 1. There is no need to write down the 1 here, and this is dy upon dx equal to 0. So here just we have to open the bracket with the negative sign here. So this is dy upon dx minus dy over dx minus plus minus, and this is y minus cos y dy over dx, it is equal to 0. So just we have to shift this y to the right hand side because we have to find out the value of dy upon dx. So therefore this is dy over dx minus x dy over dx minus cos of y dy over dx, it is equals to y. Now we have to take out dy upon dx common here. So this is 1 minus x minus cos of y and dy over dx. It is equals to y. So this is in product form. We have to shift this one to the right hand side, and this is 1 minus x minus cos y dy upon dx. This is the answer of this question. Okay boys, now come to the another important question of exercise 4.3, that is question number 6, and here we have to find out dy upon dx. We have to find out here dy over dx. So differentiate with respect to x of this equation. Differentiate with respect to x. Apply the operator d upon dx of sine x plus y, it is equals to d over dx of ln x minus y. Just we have to apply the operator on the both side. Now the derivative of sine, it is cos with the same angle, that is x plus y. The derivative of sine x, it is cos x. Derivative of sine x, it is equals to cos x. We have the formula for this. X means x plus y. So first we have to find out the derivative of the function, and then we have to find out the derivative of its angle, that is x plus y. Now come to the right hand side. This is the derivative of ln, and we know that derivative of ln x, it is equals to 1 over x. So here the derivative of ln of x minus y, so that will be equals to x minus y. And then we have to find out the derivative of x minus y, this one. So here this is cos x plus y, remains same. Now here the derivative of x, here the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y is dy over dx. Derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y, it is dy over dx. Now this is x minus y. Again here the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y is dy over dx. So here we have to find out the dy upon dx. So we have to separate dy upon dx, left hand side and the right hand side. So just we have to perform the simple multiplication here. This is cos of x plus y multiplied by 1 remains same, and then cos of x plus y multiplied by dy upon dx. Left hand side multiplication. Now right hand side, 1 over x minus y will multiply by this, so it will be x minus y. Minus plus minus 1 over dy, x minus y will multiply by with the dy upon dx. So this is x minus y dy over dx. Now we have to shift dy upon dx to the one side and without dy upon dx to the other side. So this is cos x plus y dy upon dx, this one, and we have to shift this, it is on right hand side, we have to shift to the left hand side, so minus will change into plus. So this is x minus y dy over dx. It is equals to 1 over x minus y remains same, and this is plus, we have to shift here to the right hand side, so it will be minus x plus y. Now here we have to take out the LCM, that is common, that is dy over dx common from the left hand side. Here just take out dy over dx common, and this is 1 over x minus y cos x plus y. Now take out the LCM. So this is the LCM here, x minus y. Here it is 1. So just take out the LCM of two fractions, x minus y will multiply 1, remain same. So this will multiply by this numerator and this one multiply by 1. This is the simple way to take out the LCM of two fractions there. So this is x minus y into cos of x plus y. X minus y will multiply by cos x plus y. This is plus 1 multiplied by 1 remains same. This is the LCM of the left hand side dy over dx equals to the same procedure we have to adopt we have to use the same procedure on the right hand side as well. So here it is 1, x minus y will multiply by 1, that will be x minus y. So this 1 multiplied by this one remains same, minus x minus y will multiply by cos x plus y. So this x minus y will cancel out to this one and separate x minus or dy upon dx, and this is cos of x plus y and whole divided by this is x minus y cos of x plus y plus 1. This is the answer of this question. So boys, we have completed a second part of second question of exercise 4.2, 4.3. This is the very important, these two very important question on exercise 4.3. Thank you so much boys. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.